Good afternoon. My name is David Steven Chinchilla Taborda. I am 23 years old. I live in Suacha, Cundinamarca. The fascinating world of watchmaking, art precision, and a commitment to excellence are intertwined. Passionate designers bring their vision to life in the meticulous sketches, fusion forms, and precision in every stroke. From paper to reality, high-tech machine cuts, shape and polishes each piece with precision. Skilled watch pitch assemble this piece with patterns and skill bringing each watch to life. Quality is our promise. Each watch is rigorously tested to ensure accuracy and durability. Only the best pass this test and go out into the world. From manufacturing, we head to distribution and marketing. Masterpiece of precision, these watches find their way through various channels to reach the hands of those who appreciate craftsmanship and time well spent. In everyday life, these watches become reliable companions, taking proper care of them ensures not only a long lifespan but optimal performance at all times. But like all things, there comes a time when watches reach their life cycle. It's not the end, it's a new beginning. Here, the watch finds its second life. Careful disassemble each piece is sustainable, recycled, using our environment, impact, and contribution to a green future. From the initial inspiration to the contribution to the care of our planet, it's what's story, its story of precision, dedication, and sustainability.